Hey guys. Can you calculate anybody's age? Yes, you can. By asking them simple questions. Here I have 7 such interesting questions. So welcome to Knowledge Station. I am your friend Derek. Let's try this quiz to see how young and active is your brain. For each question, you'll get only 10 seconds to answer. So remember to think faster. Also, I'll give you 3 or 4 possible answers for each question. If your answer is any of them, remember the points written against your answer, or you can keep writing your answers in comments, so you don't forget them. You don't need to do any calculation here. Just keep your brain active. At the end of quiz, add all your points. Based on your points, we'll tell you what is your approximate mental age. So let's start the quiz. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Also share the quiz with your friends to see what's their mental age. Here we go. Test 7. Look at these 2 pictures and tell me, what is wrong with these pictures? Alright. If your answer is that they are upside down, then you get 10 points. If you saw nothing wrong with these pictures, then you get 20 points. Yes, that's the most common answer. Actually, in both these pictures, the eyes are pasted upside down. But a common brain generally does not notice that. So if your answer is same, then you get 40 points. Please remember your points, or write it in the comments section, so you don't forget them till the end of the quiz. Test 6. How many faces do you see in this picture? The structures behind this lady forms few men faces. Try to spot as many as you can. There are 4 faces in total. It wasn't easy to find them all. So if you could spot 3 or 4 faces, then you get 40 points. If you found 2, then you get 20 points. And if you found only 1 face, then you get 10 points. Test 5. Suppose you draw a line on a white paper, and its length is exactly 10 inches. Then how can you make this line look longer, without even touching it? If you think that you'll use a pencil, pen or marker to increase its length, then that is incorrect. You'll get no points with that. If you think that you can move the paper closer to your eyes, so that line looks longer, then that's a decent answer. You'll get 20 points for that. But a smart answer is not that. You see, the details like white paper or 10 inches line was just to distract you. You can simply draw a smaller line next to the first line. Longer or smaller are relative terms. So if you draw a smaller line, let's say an 8-inch line next to it, then the 10 inches line will automatically look longer. Right? Let us know in comments if you know any other smarter way of doing that. Test 4. This should be a simple one. Can you spot the mistake here? Well, numbers were just to distract you. Here's the word spot, which is repeated twice. So if you can spot the spot twice, then you get 40 points. Otherwise, no points for any other answer. Test 3. Can you count the number of holes in this t-shirt? This one was tricky. Any normal person will spot the 2 holes where the shirt is ripped. So if your answer is 2, you'll get 10 points. But wait. We can also see through the ripped area. That means there are 2 holes, each at front and at the back of the t-shirt. So if your answer is 4, you'll get 20 points. But I expect something more from a smarter person like you. You see, every t-shirt has at least 4 holes. 2 for sleeves, 1 for neck and 1 at the bottom. That means total number of holes here are 8. Could you crack it? Don't forget to add your comments. Test 2. Here's an old man sitting in this image. Can you spot the old man's cigar? Here is the cigar. This was easy, wasn't it? So this time, 20 points for correct answer and no point otherwise. Test number 1. Suppose you suddenly feel hungry at midnight, when everyone is sleeping. All the lights are off, but you know that there is your favorite sandwich in the refrigerator. Also there is Coke and a water bottle. So what will you open first? If your answer is eyes, then you are bang on. You get 40 points for that. If you thought that you'll open lights first, then you get 30 points. That's the second best answer, isn't it? For all who thought that it's refrigerator, then you get 10 points. And for all those who were thinking about food or Coke, gets no points here. Wonderful, isn't it? Alright. Time for results. If you get less than 150 points, then your brain acts like a pretty mature person. You take time to understand things, and focused on stereotype solution to a problem. Then exploring options. If you scored between 150 and 200, then your brain acts like an adult. You have an active brain. And you are mostly confident with your thoughts. That's really a balanced brain. If you scored more than 200, then your brain is very young. You can quickly notice even the tiniest details. And ready to think fresh for any new problem. So what is your score? Let us know in comments. How much did you score and how young or old are you from your brain? Awesome guys. I am sure it was fun for you. Let us know in comments. How many levels did you clear? Also, share it with your friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. There are many more riddles on this channel. Give them a try too. We will continue sharing new riddles with you. So, stay tuned to Knowledge Station. Until then. Bye.